How to enable T-Mobile international roaming. So what you want to do first is actually check your current device if it is applicable to use an international roaming. So before you purchase any plans or international plans on T-Mobile subscription, all you have to do first is head directly to your phone settings, and then on your phone settings, just simply type in on the search box cellular. Now head over to mobile networks and then head over to other settings, and there you should be able to see data roaming. So as you can see, my phone is actually eligible to use an international roaming. You just have to simply change the settings or set it up if it's going to be always turn on or turn off at the meantime. Now once you have figured out that your phone has an actual international roaming feature, then this is going to be the time that you go to the T-Mobile's official site and start to choose on a specific plan or subscription you want depending on the coverage from T-Mobile. And that's it. It's how you enable T-Mobile international data roaming.